So friend, welcome to my online accessible sky channel, and today I'm continuing my new course, technology related ethical hacking. So what is the CSCU system? I'm already told you in my previous video. So this is a very important for understand about previous video. CSCU system is very important for your security. To certify secure computer user is computer ethical hacking one type of very important part. So what is last previous video inside scenario I'm giving example for Franklin related employee systems. Okay. Next is home computer user is to fault model. What is the fault model security? I'm already discuss about this system. Okay. So this is very important for understand about your security inside your computer and network, and basically to home users, home personal computer user. Okay, because your system, your computer is different you lot of save data and services and important part systems. Okay, so I'm already created on this topic previous video. Watch previous video, either you cannot understand. Okay, so last video I'm already discussed in this all of topic. Okay, so module objective related information I'm discussing security incident is terminologies. What is security, why security protection, lowest security attack, and the elements. So last my previous video I'm discussed already. I'm continue on this topic module system. Okay, so let's start and understand about second this video computer ethical hacking related. Okay, so this is a very important for understand about course. Okay, so how this computer ethical hacking course is important for you. Okay, so let's start and understand about module related information and start next topic on computer ethical hacking. Hello friend, this is my online accessible sketch. In this module you can see here my this online accessible sketch. This type right and search here, and you can visit here. This is my channel logo, and so you can see this is my very lot of videos available for you and your basic computer knowledge, advanced courses, PayPal, how to use in PayPal, Windows 10 settings, computer hardware courses, network courses, and very important for you operating system and computer hardware related. So you can see network courses, and I'm daily update this video for you and very free of cost, and basically you can very different type of syllabus you can control when using in Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8. So you can see all of playlist available in my this channel, and you can visit very helpful for your computer and computer knowledge for related. So you can see here this is a very important and different type of network and computer related courses, internet related courses, computer ethical hacking, Red Hat Linux, Windows 10 basic, Windows 8, how using Windows 7 basic, how to install operating system, everything available in my channel online at this basic channel. This channel very helpful for you and advanced. You can learn about computer. Okay, and visit one by one my. You can see here my videos available. So any question you can comment me, and you maybe like. So this is very good for you, and click on subscribe and click on like button. So let's continue this video. So you can see here security incidents occurs over time. These report on January 2011, and lot of people's victim by computer hackers, and some security incidents reason very people of thousand of computer hack and damage here. So this since start 2002, 2003, 6%, 40%. Main is 2008, 5 millions of 11,000 time of lot of computer machines hack and damage in this report on January 2011. So security incidents occurs over time is showing in this time how many type of computer hack by computer ethical hacker, tricks, tips, and different type of method through some planning through is easily to target by hacker only for hacking reason systems here. And you can see 2009 in 7 it's 2010 640. So this is security incidents occurrence over time, you can see here, and this is the timing of year. Okay, so this is a report is incident security organizer, some different type of INA, some ISRO, some NSA, some ethical hacking organizations, security analyzer. Through this report completely created and available in this all of data in internet security incident officers. So you can see here this is one type of all of us showing data collecting, and so many type of companies and special some mechanism servers related every side. You can see here these hacking and damaging systems. Security incidents by breach type in 2021. This report showing and how many type of security incidents. You can see this is a very important for understanding in 2021. So how many type of people automatically hack some reason, and especially to understand about why these security incidents and why these different type of especially to damage and creating one type of planning for hacking by hacker. So security incidents, any real or suspect event in relation to the security of computer system or computer networks. Okay, so 30% in 2021, 30% stolen laptop, 80% stolen document, means using phishing attacks, some using virus attack, some website virus type of software piece created when you download any type of website. That means you are background side running automatically and hack your systems. Okay, next is lost laptop, some lost laptop 40%, hack 70%, you can see here, and the website through hacking system 80%. Disposal document, some is obviously to document not directly attached, but some document change in your data in your systems, and actually real your location side move on data and another side temporary data store for your some web content, some digital content, some presentation, some very confidential information, related information. So this reason is sometime your computer is not perfectly uh, observation, or some document is like a security level, some document your website level, some organization there, some network level site, and some security level site. So that means your data is not perfectly real original file, because some specific different type of software and the background side add like a specific secret of message and give document to another side. So this actually means that disposal documents and 80% is unknown, means not clarify. Some websites, some unknown file, other name type file automatically create in your different type of systems in your computer. Means virus automatically make filing some creating this different type of systematic. So this reason is any type of real suspect advertise event relation some computer system network is. So this reason security in the sense lot of breach type of report in this system in 2021 you can see here. So is usually two important objects systems of you can see here 2020 means in lot of people is their website through some special tricking through hack some stolen document very popular in hacking area side, some specially to hack system, some lost laptop. So you can see here this is a 1 2 3 and 4 and 5 type of a lot of activate in your network system. And next security incident report will come in 2025. Okay, so every 2005 year IANA and some NSA always publicly report sending security incidents because a lot of people is complain the cyber security sites. Some people document related very trouble, and some people trouble for in a website through downloading by software important document. So why this I'm just showing you, because this is a relation to the security of computer system or computer network not safe, because you want first understand about how network and computer working systems, especially to security inside some different type of protocols, some important of networks and different type of security levels is very important for you understand about computer related information. And especially to ethical hacking related security very seriously take actions on special higher security. Cyber security is very important for understand about the communication. So what is the essential terminologies I will discuss in next time next video. Okay, and what is this type of essential terminologies, why using this and what happen is very important for understand about. So next time I will show you essential terminologies and how working these ethical hacker and hacker between different type of system. So what is essential terminologies and how this possibility for different type hacking trick. So I'm just in this my video I'm just showing up basically next video in basic systems working different type of word like especially to understand about or know about especially some tricking system hack and how to save your data from your hacker. So thanks for watching my video. Have next time I will continue on this topic essential terminologies. So why this essential terminologies and why this I give example with the important of some different type of information. So thanks for watching my video. Have next time I will continue on these topics. Click on subscribe and click on bell icon for any notification video. So any type of questions, so comment me. So thank you. Have a nice day. So friend, before start my video, I'm give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So write this type online interest channel and click on search and you can see this type my logo. Click on here, and this is you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want, the information related, computer related, advanced computer hardware, network, software, everything playlist I am already created. So click on playlist, and you can see if you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one, time to time I'm update my new video and upload video. So you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge, and very important for information for you are computer beginner. So you can select control panel options, and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. So you can see this is the control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operation 7, 8, 9, Windows 10. So friends, this is your operating system you can control using it. This is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video. So you can see this is a very important for you, and you visit my other playlist. You can see Windows 7 basic related, what is a Windows 7, what is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created. What is a 64-bit, what is a 32-bit. So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time I upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button, and visit other my playlist. So thank you.